Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Hold on a second. The fuck? What is going on here? Okay, there you go. Um, Shit. I don't know what's happening here with the webcam or anything, but you guys can live without my face. All right, so we got news coming out in about 8 minutes. So I'll just tell you what I see. Okay, so we're on a key area, right? This was a key supply and demand zone. We could see price breaking out of there, but I see a break of structure to the downside no matter what no matter how you slice it, I see a break of structure to the downside. The only thing I'm worried about is a huge push up, right? A big retracement back up. So I was looking at this area for a sell yesterday, and it still could be possible. You know what I mean? It definitely still could be possible. But I think it's fallen off a little bit too much at this point. So let's just go ahead and see what the market is giving us at this point. Let's see. So this is the 78% right here. This is the 50%. But, it's kind of hard for me to say. So this isn't the most recent high to the most recent low, right? The most recent high technically would be this one to this one. But I'm just not sure that's going to be the move right there. Even though we're in a downtrend, technically, I still feel very, damn, I can't even move my shit. My arms are shaking so much. Just got back from the gym for the first time. Well, second day in a row, so thank you. All right, so I just don't know if it's gonna reach it up here. I think it could technically just fall off from this area. Well, the area that it's at, right? Choose purple. And then, okay, so we have that, right? Now let's break it down a little bit closer to something like this. This seems a little bit more plausible in my opinion, just because most recent low to the most recent high. So looks like we're going to see it come up to this 38.2, but this could be a strong area. You could see a bunch of support, and then maybe resistance right here, and you can see resistance. So we'll see how it reacts right here. I'm going to draw it out just to draw it out. And we got this ILC, right? Boom. Turn this baby blue. Oops. That's not baby blue. Boom. Then we have this area up here, right? And I like this a little bit clear, even though it's not a nice ILC like this one. This little area right here. We're gonna go to a smaller time frame and a bigger time frame to check this out. Even though it's up towards the 78%, I'm still gonna consider it a golden zone ILC. Getting a big push up right now. I think we should see something fall off right here. Now this area is pretty strong right here too. Support. So maybe right here at the 61%. I think I'm gonna wait at least for this line right here, and we'll see what a stop loss would look like. So from this area, so you want to start small positions here, bigger position here, and stop loss is going to have to be there. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is, right? And I do see a resistance to support area right here. All right. Something like that. And again, these are all just areas that I have marked. You know what I mean? So let's see what the market gives us. You could already see kind of a rejection right there. Let me take a look at the 5-minute really quick. We got 4 minutes till this hits. It looks pretty decent though right here. Let me check out NAS. Excuse me. Oh, this looks a little bit cleaner in my opinion already. You can see this area right here is really a strong area. That green line. Go from most recent high to the most recent low. Ooh, 61.8%. This looks, it just looks cleaner right here, to be honest. Perfectly in the golden zone. Will it make it up there? Who knows? But boom. That's a nice trade right there, in my opinion. Now let's break it down to the 5-minute. Boom, we got some right here at the 50% and this line. So I think this is going to be something to take a look at right here. Even though it's not a strong ILC, I definitely wouldn't take it at the bottom there. I would consider this a 50% ILC in my opinion. So we'll see right now. All right, we got about 3 minutes till open. So Powell, the chairman, the Fed chairman, Powell is about to speak right now. Damn, I can't move my arms. So let's see what he gives us. I honestly like both of these moves. I think I like this one a little bit more, even in terms of stop loss. You could see from the very bottom, we'd still be looking at it just about 71 pips. So I think I think this is the safer trade. I think US30 is probably going to see more, but I like this one as the safer trade. And yeah, let's see if it hits. So remember, small, big, right? So if you're going to get in here, you want to get in very, very small. So for me, I do regularly about a 0.15, about $15 a pip. So I'll probably do about $3 a pip here. And then once it reaches up here, if it reaches up here, then we'll go ahead and enter a bigger position. So we'll see what's what right now. Going live in a minute. Well, we are live. News drop in a minute. Let's see what it gives us. News drop in a minute. Let's see what it gives us. All right, get your shit ready. Let's go. Let me see something real quick. Where's the 15-minute? Yeah, I like the 15-minute just a little bit more. My hand is shaking. See what's what. Nothing yet. Oh. Hasn't quite got there. Did it tap it? Not really. I put a small one in. Let's see if. Oh, it's kind of rejecting. I'm in now. I'm in now, but let's see how it finishes. I got a 0.04. We still got 20 seconds left on the clock. Let's see what's what. Hasn't quite got up there yet. And I will go bigger if it gets up to our golden zone. Man, I was expecting a bit more movement, but fuck it. It is what it is. I mean, I'm in the position. See what it gives us right here. I'm in the trade about my top positions in 79, so we're up about 10 pips, 11 pips. See if it makes its move. How many pips now? About 13 pips. I mean, let's see what it gives us. We're in the trade. Let's see what's what. We can take this thing down. We know this is a strong resistance, resistance, support, support. You can see how it reacted here with the EMA. Don't necessarily like that. It's not really moving like I thought it would be moving, if I'm just being honest. Wow, look at that push up. Came all the way down and gave about 15 pips quickly. Let me go down to the 1 minute real quick, just so you can see what I'm seeing on my screen. Let's see if it uses this as resistance now. I mean, it's kind of what we got to hope for. I don't know. The way it's moving, it's kind of slow. It's creeping back up on us. Oh, shit. Shit flew back on me. Let's see what's what, man. I mean, this definitely isn't what I was expecting right now. Definitely wasn't what I was expecting right now, if I'm just being honest. I mean, let's see what's what. It's respecting it, but oh shit, son. That shit flew up. I should have seen it. Let's see if it gives the respect that we want, that we need. If you want to put in a sell, you can put in a sell right now. But shit, it's kind of looking like it's pushing up on us. Again, technically our stop loss wouldn't have to be until way up here, 60 pips, right? So we got to make sure we see that. And see what the market gives us. So it's in our sell-off area. So let's see if it gives us the rejection that we want right here. We have our golden zone. We have the EMA. Let's see if it gives it to us. Let me take a look at US30 real quick. So US30 is in the golden zone as well. Damn, this would have been the cleaner trade right here. Caught 100 pips real quick. Man, this thing's moving up. What did he say? So we're at 11.097. If it goes to 12.20, I'm gonna hop out. Fuck, I don't know what's what. I don't know how to read this shit either. I was going down a little bit, but let's see. Must resist the broadening scope to address other things. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's kind of plain right now, and I don't know what the fuck the market's saying, truthfully.
I watched the homeless lady at Ari.
It's fucked up.
She threw herself.
Oh, that's fucked up. I mean, let's see if it gives it to us. I mean, it's in our zone. Let's see if it gives it to us. It's kind of making its way down right now, but let's see if it really throws it at us right now. Whoops, wrong one. Okay, NAS is kind of coming down, but not really. So I don't know what he's saying that's kind of keeping it up here. I was expecting a big, I mean, I guess it's considered a decent push, but I was expecting like 100 pips, 150 pips, not nothing like this. You can see resistance, support, it's pushing. I think I'm gonna hop out this bitch. I mean, it does have a long way to, yeah, you know what? Let me just try to trust it. That was a long way to go, but let's see what's what. I'm only down 150 right now. So 90. We're not down a lot of pips, but you know what? It does look like it could possibly push up. Um, let's just see if it could stay under here. That's the biggest thing is can it fall off and stay under here? But it does look like it's kind of making its way up. If you want to hop out, I think there's a good chance it could come out of here. But again, we have 60 pips to really a breathing room right here. And we're only 20 pips in. So I'm trying to trust the trade is going our way. We're in a downtrend. Let's see if it breaks below here right now. Has to break through here and engulf, and then we could see it stack down, but it has to break through here. Okay, I like that. See if it could stay below. Remember, this is a quick little area where price is resistance and support. So if it uses this as support again and rejects and comes up, then we're in a load of shit. So
Charting at 15 or
this is the 1 minute. And that shit's doing a little bit different than what this is doing on Trading View. Well, you're on the 15 minute right there, but it's in the same area. Yeah. See, I don't like that. Another big rejection, and it's kind of keeping it up. Didn't fully engulf it. Now it's back on top of the EMA. And doesn't look also great right now. And again, I was expecting a big something. So maybe 630 open is what it's waiting for. I'm not too sure. So we'll see right now. I have 3.04s in here right now. I think I'm going to close my bottom one. Just because I'm not sure. And, you know, if we see a big explosion at 630, you don't want to be too heavy in this trade, right? Because I was expecting a lot of volatility right now. We just don't have it. So, but 17 seconds. Let's see if this thing can finish green and break through here. There's also the 5 minute candle coming up. Let's see how that looks. I mean, that looks cool. That's kind of like a reversal. Well, that's not a reversal candle. Somewhat is, but you want to see it bearish. Yeah, that's not really what I wanted to see. If this thing hits down here one more time and rejects, I'm going to pull my bottom position out, and we'll keep the top positions.
cool question. What are you seeing that it's telling you? Can you explain that? You usually do that?
These rejections, so see when it was going to come down, you see this line right here?
Yeah.
That's a rejection. It's making its way down. I like that. 15 seconds. Let's see if it finishes. It's at this rejection area, right? Came in, rejected it. Came down, rejected it. Came down, rejected it. So these wicks are rejection wicks. And you can see how they're kind of building up. Now, I like the way this one finished, but it's still in this rejection area, right? So, oh shit, son. Is our move coming?
So if you planning for
I want it to come down. Yeah, I have sales in right now. Still rejecting it a little bit, right? So now that it's kind of broken through here, now it has to break through this IOC right here, 50 EMA. I think I'm going to close my bottom position down here. Yeah, see that rejection again? But 25 seconds, let's see if it turns bearish and comes down from here. Let's see. My top positions are up here in this area, but I have a bottom position right here, so I don't like the way this candle is necessarily looking. This one right here. And I think 6:30 is going to be the move. So we got about 20 minutes till that happens. So 6:30 is the move. And I put a little something on US32, a little sal, just because I like that it's still respecting the area. Just be mindful, I don't usually do that, so stick to one pair if you're not too experienced with it. Shit, I'm not even too experienced with it, but I just like the setup that it's giving me. So, you know, let's see. This comes down. I just closed my bottom position. I thought I made some money. Fuck, I lost $8. Um, you see what it did right here? Right off of this area of rejection. Boom. I don't like that. So if it comes up and fully engulfs this or shows me something that it could stack, and I mean right off the EMA, I'm gonna close one of my positions just to make some money real quick. One of my smaller positions or bottom positions. You can see it's coming up already. So let me just close that. Yeah, I don't like that finish right there. Because right now what I'm starting to see, just on the 1 minute, I fully engulfed it. I think I'm gonna just hop out of everything. Damn, even US30 fully engulfed. I'm gonna hop out of that. Yeah, it looks like it's stacking up to go farther. Um, I'm gonna just get out of all these. Fuck it. I don't like it. I'm gonna wait till 6:30 to make my move. Unless it rejects it again right here, we'll see. But I just hopped out of everything. I'm down $83 on the day. So, let's see what's what.
Jumped up.
Yeah, so I just hopped out of everything. Um, let's see what happens at 6:30. And again, that's just the way you want to read it, right? Where's our roadblocks? Boom. Okay, it's respecting this roadblock too much. Once this candle engulfed this candle off of this key zone, I knew that okay, there's a big chance that it could push up from here. So, which it did. Now let's see if it gives respect again. But I think I'm gonna wait till 6:30. Um, you know, just leave it at that. In the vote, 88.
So your prediction is a fall, right? So
A sell, yeah. But let's see what he said. I mean, I don't even know what this dude said to, like, where's news at? Because this is big news. This guy's speaking. A lot of people think it's Biden and Trump that run the country. Now, this fuck right here runs the country.
who's that piece of shit?
He's the federal chairman, the Federal Reserve chairman. So he's the one who runs the money guy in the country. And he's independent from Democrats and Republicans. He doesn't have to listen to the president. You know what I mean? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I just put another challenge just because that looked good right there. 5 seconds left. Let's see. Small positions though. Don't put any big positions in right here. Small positions only. So we can move this up right now. I'm in up here now. This position, I lost $8. I ain't even gonna mark it. You know what I mean? But what I don't like is it didn't resistance, right? This little. So let me draw a line to show you what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing when I say resistance to support, resistance right here, support, 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 resistance, resistance, support. So you can see what price is doing, right? This little area is strong right here. Once it broke through, then it used it as resistance a couple times, broke through again, used it as support now. So you can see what it's kind of doing right here, but let's see if it can fall off. I mean, I don't like going against the trend. We're in a downtrend, so you know, let's just see what it gives us.
So he's supposed to speak in
He already spoke at 6. That's why I was expecting like usually, Doug. Usually the meeting's at 11 a.m. right, our time. As soon as it hits 11 o'clock, bro. As soon as it hits 11 o'clock, that shit flies up 100, 200 pips, dog, in a second, or down 100 pips, 200 pips in a second. So you could be up, like you could be a winner, you could be a bad loser, you know? So let's see if it stays below this. Still hasn't broken through it, right? Like it's still rejected and come out. So it has to finish like down here. And then there's a bunch of roadblocks, right? We got to get through this little R2S. We got to get through this 20 EMA. We got to get through the top of this ILC, 50 EMAs. We got a lot of shit to get through. But look, it didn't reject it. Damn, this shit's just sitting. Well, I got a .04 in there. And, if I take a $250 loss, it's okay. We got a small position in there. It's not too bad. And you just got to think about what you're making for the week. So just keep your losses smaller than your wins and you're good. Man, this shit ain't really going the way I want it to, though. I don't know. Hey, whoever's on here, can you see me? Can you see my webcam right here? If you could respond, please. Thank you. In the bottom left corner. Yeah, I don't like this. This kind of looks like it's going to make its way up before it makes its way down, but that's why we keep it small, right?
I see. What are you trying to look for?
Like this right here, it's kind of stacking, right? And this is the 50 EMA, and it's cool that it's rejecting it, but like you can see once it comes in, like breaks it, it comes right back down. Breaks it, comes right back down. Breaks it, but ultimately it gets weaker and weaker the more it touches it. So the more it touches this area and retests it, the weaker it gets. So now it's breaking through it, but it's kind of using it, support right here. So I don't know. Huh? Oh yeah, no. My webcam's not on there though. Yeah, see, it's pushing up. But like I said, .04 in there. Let's see what the market gives us. So, well, not only that, like .04 right here is 47 pips. So that's like less than $200, which is good. I mean, I don't want to lose it, but we're not risking a lot of money right here for this trade. Oh, look at that. Come on. I might add something. Actually, I just might wait till 6:30 to add some. See. Wait, I like that a lot. Oh. Fuck it, dog. Nice risk, I don't know. I just added another position, so let's see what's what. Now, if it rejects it again at this zone, like a big rejection, then we know that there's a good possibility it's going to come up. But remember, the more this gets retested, it gets weaker, right? But you also got to remember, the more this gets retested, it gets weaker too. So, let's see if it can break through all this. So, break through this R2S, break through this 20 EMA, break through this ILC, break through the EMAs. We got to break through all this shit, right? Once we break through there, then we make it to this area and have to break through this R2S. So you can see we're kind of in business right now, but we're only up 8 pips. So let's see what's what. See if US30 is doing the same thing. Oh, so US30 came up to the R2S I drew out. Remember this? So that's actually pretty clean. I was thinking it would do that. We said EMA or stop loss would have to be above, so that's not bad.
So in the US, everything is going to drop, or
I think it would. I think it should, but I mean, let's wait till 6:30 because 6:30 is gonna kind of tell us what's what. So the one thing that I noticed the market kind of does, don't take this and run with it, but is okay when you see it coming down before the market opens, you might see a big push up. You know what I mean? Before then,
It's them wanting to take people out.
basically. Yeah, so we could see it come down, hit this, retest, come up here, or we could see it just fly up. But I think that we're still in business for it to keep coming down. Just the way market structure looks, the way everything is. Let's go to the 15 minute. So you know that line that I told you, that diagonal line on the 1 minute?
Mm-hmm.
Look at what it did. That's one of my confirmations. Golden zone, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. EMA, it's making its way down, but we still got 8 minutes till open. So now that it's made it to here, now it has to break through here. We got EMAs to break through. We got this area to break through. It could just reject this and come up, you know? But the way I see it, yeah. So remember yesterday I said this was the trade I wanted to take? I wanted it to come up here. It still could, but price just continued down, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, but then it broke this low. So now we're lower low. So it's a confirmation that it should come down. You know what I mean? And I think we should take it to this zone right here, 61%. So, but look at what it did. As soon as it touched the top of this IOC, rejected it, right? So let's see what it gives us. Still, what, 6 minutes till open. I was expecting a lot bigger drop, but fuck it. And you can see I have this little green line. I don't remember why I drew it, but it's respected. Boom, rejection. Came up, boom, rejection, boom, rejection, boom, rejection, right? Then it hit it again, boom, rejection, boom, rejection. Then once it broke through it, now look at support, support. You know what I mean? So, damn, I fucking look at my arm, dog. Fucking just worked out for the first time in like 2 years. Look at that shit, dog. I can't control it.
Hey, after
Did they hit her hard or it's just?
she slid. Okay. Pay me.
All right, so one thing, I don't like that. That doesn't look good to me, my opinion. Um, damn. Still got 5 minutes till open. Let's see how the 5 minute finished. Uh, five. Nah. Blah, blah, I mean, let's see if it can hold its ground right here. Not really. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, we're probably going to see a retest or a big push up. So just be mindful of that. You know what I mean? I don't know what the news is saying here. Let me see if we could get an update on this shit. First, the Federal Reserve's monetary policy independence is an important and broadly supported institutional arrangement that has served the. Well, I don't care about none of that. Central bank independence. On the first point, the case for monetary policy lies in the benefits of insulating monetary policy decisions for short-term political considerations. Price stability is the bedrock of a healthy economy and provides the public with immeasurable benefits over time, but restoring price stability when inflation is high can require measures that are not popular in the short term as we raise interest rates to slow the economy. So see, he wants to slow the economy, and he's going to raise interest rates to do that. The absence of a direct political control over our decisions, see, there is no political control over their decisions. So that's what he's saying. It's not going to be popular, it's not going to be what they want, but it's what they have to do. Broadly accepted, even you accepted it, right? Hearing that? That there's no political, no Democrat, Republican, like making his, changing his mind. And we resist the temptation to broaden our scope to address other important social issues, taking on new goals, however worthy, without a clear statutory mandate. would undermine the case for independence in the area of bank regulation too. The Fed has a degree of independence, as do other federal bank regulators. I don't know what this means. Okay. Let's see if somebody else could make it easier for us. There's a discrepancy between the market and the Fed that provides a potential opportunity, and it could impact the USD in brief. The Fed projected no rate cuts cut this year in December meeting. However, seeing the Fed making 2 rate cuts by the end of 2023. Okay, so they expect it up until June to continue raising the rates and then start cutting rates at that point. Okay, so really it's what we're waiting for on Thursday. All right, so I'm going to keep that up because I don't know exactly what it's talking about. But we're in business. Look at now we got to make it through this EMA. The 5-minute EMA is flipped over. Let's see what's what. I think I'm going to take some profit right here just to get me back on the positive side. And then if it retests, we could go ahead and get back in there. See how it kind of got to that level and rejected it? That's something you got to be mindful of. So I'm up about 214 right now, floating. But it's rejecting it, which I don't like. But if we could finish real bearish right here on the 5-minute and the 15-minute, I think we're in business. So we got 1 minute left till open. We're either going to see a big push up or we're going to see a push up, retest, and come down. So let's hope it goes our way. I think overall we should see it go our way, but you never know. So, um, see how the 15-minute looks, the way it's going to finish. We got 30 seconds left. 15-minute, it looks pretty good, but like I said, we got this big push up right here, right? So kind of don't like that, but let's see what's what. 1 minute looks decent. 1 minute EMA, 5-minute EMA. You can see it's all here, right here. So let's see what the market gives us. I actually didn't take out that money, but let's see if it gives us an opportunity. 630. Oh, it's going up. Looks like it might come up, huh? Looks like it's gonna come up on us. Damn. Let's see. Let's see. Damn. I think it's coming up, guys. It's retesting it, but that's a big push. Damn. Yeah, it's pushing up. I don't like it, personally. My opinion. I think I'm gonna hop out of my bottom position just because, oh, wait a minute. Oh, oh, oh. Mm. I mean, it wants to go up. There's buyers in the market for sure. There is buyers, but you see how it's rejecting the zone? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's coming up. Gave us hope just to fucking take it away from us. And that's why I should have took profit. Yeah, flying on us. I'm gonna, me personally, I think I'm gonna take my losses. Oh, whoa. I took $100 loss right now. Oh, $74 loss. But I think it's coming up, so let me see something here. Yeah, it's making its way up, so damn. Sucks, but yeah, I think it's coming to that top zone up there. I didn't listen to myself. So I think it could be coming up to this top zone that we had originally looked for, which is right here. Actually, yeah, this zone right here. So there. Right there, did it touch it? Let's see if it respects this area. I put a little sell in right there. We'll see if it gives us what we want from here. So I'm down 370 on the day right now. This is going to be my last trade. If it blows past this, then it is what it is. Oh, that doesn't look good. That does not look good, Sonny. Just a 0.04, so let's see what's what. I'm in at oh shit. Damn, that shit's flying, son. Sorry, my stop loss isn't right there because that's not a viable stop loss, if I'm being honest. It has to be right, yeah, above this wick. So 47 pips, but it looks like it's coming up, dog. Damn. Yeah. I mean, technically it would have to be right here, and then, yeah, I'm just going to take the L, I guess, for the day.
I hit 100 pips.
Oh, shit, my kids are up. You're about to hit 100 pips? Yeah, stop me out, so.
I already hit 100 pips. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, see, I need to listen to myself. Fucking lost.
Should I just pull the money out, like half of it, and then see what it does?
See that big push down? I don't know why I did that. All right, let's roll downstairs. Let's see this. Hold on, fellas. It should make it up to the daily level, that purple line. Let me see what's what, though.
What else?
Oh. In the 488 Ferrari D. Hey, I'm gonna head to the shop early today. Probably like right after I drop off Zoe.
All right.
Rare blood in my DNA. What happened?
Still get water in here?
Yeah. They tried everything to fix that shit too. Hey, we were on a pretty good winning streak though. I ain't gonna lie. We're on a pretty good winning streak. Oh, no fucking way. What's it coming down from? We're just gonna use this top level of support now. Got me with my CPA.
Which one uses support for the call?
I don't even know why it's coming down. I didn't see anything. If it breaks below here and retest it, I'm gonna hop back in. So what I'd be waiting for right here, whoops. What I'd be waiting for right, oh shit, son. Sorry about that. Wrong button. Oops, wrong button again. Where the fuck is my shit? Yeah, see, all it did was retest. So what I wanted to see was a retest to break below, and then a retest up in here. Then we could take the trade. But I think it could possibly make it up to that purple line on the 1 minute. But like I said, I don't think, I mean, I guess it is a break of structure if I'm looking at it the right way. But let's see if it does what I want it to do. Just break below here, and then we could get in. But it has to retest and respect this area before we get in. See how it's using this as support? We want to see it being used as resistance. And then we could take that to the downside. See that? Support again. Could be pushing up. Okay, I like that. But it has to break through. It's still respecting it. 47 seconds left. It could push up and come up on us. Oh, oh. Let's see. Nope. 9 seconds. See if it comes down a little bit or stays up. It could still come up right here. Got a meeting with my CPA. Boy, I've been eating. Let me see the 5 minute. Just finished, right? So let's see how the 5 minute finished. Doesn't look bad, but it could still move up. That could just be an ILC making its way up. Kind of breaking below. You know what it could have been doing too is just getting out all these people who put their stop losses right above right here. You know, it could definitely be doing that. Let's see if it does that. Huh? What is it? It's flying. Oh, let's go. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's why you got to be careful. All right, I like that. Let's see how this finishes on this EMA. If it finishes too bullish, then I'm not gonna hop in. But if it, let me see, we got 30 seconds. Still respecting that area. I would have liked for it to finish a little bit deeper, but let's see if it retests and respect this area. Oh, damn, son. I just put some sales in right now. Let's hope I don't fuck it up. Because this is it for sure. Same trade, different positions, but we're in it now. And we're really in this bitch, let me tell you. I'm down 370 on the day. See what the market gives us. If it still respects this, then, no bueno. Yep, still respecting it. We got 10 seconds left. Let's see if it finishes bullish or bearish. I don't like that. Yep, that shit's going up, dog. Alright, I'm done. Fuck it. I did want it to come retest this area, so let's see if it respects it. If it doesn't, then I'm going to get out the trade. Yeah, it's not respecting it, so still continuing its way. Oh, a little bit of respect. I'm going to take this shit all the way down. Okay, a little bit of respect. See if it goes bearish. If it could flip, ooh, there we go. That's exactly what I wanted to see, right? That retest and come down. Now let's see if it could finish that way. Has to finish bearish. Has to finish green. Don't do it. You got 5 seconds. Turn bearish. Oh, no. Yeah, that ain't going to cut it, in my opinion. But let's see. I like the rejection. That's the only thing keeping me in this trade is that rejection. Let's see if we could hit on the way down right now. See if it could fall off. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Come here. Sometimes this works. Come on. Come down here. I just want you to finish down here. Come on. Come on. Don't go up. Ah, you bitch. I didn't finish the way I wanted it to, but let's see. Still respecting the EMA. You see that? This blue EMA. Damn. Yeah. One more shot. If it gives it to us, it gives it. Damn. Oh, that shit's flying up. Yeah, there's buyers in the market right now. Maybe he said something that they liked. I don't know. Oh, oh, oh. You finished that way? Oh, oh. Okay, I'm up about 300 right now, but I'm going to take some profit just to take some profit right now. All right, I took some profit. Let's see if it can break through all this shit. Let's go. I'm down 237. I'm going to take some more profit. Fuck it. Down 119 for the day. I got 350 floating right now. Let's see. This is a key area right here, right? We know this is a key area. Move your stops to break even. Stops to break even. Just do it. Let's go, man. Make your way down. This is a key area. I'm going to take some more profit. Boom. Oh, fuck it, Thug Life. All right. That put me, so now I'm no longer down 370 for the day. I'm up $26. Why? Because this is a key area. We have the EMA right here that's being respected. Let's see if it can break through it. Now that I'm positive for the day, I'm actually really happy. So, um, I'm up 248 floating right now. I could close it, but I think we should see a push down right now, hopefully. But the one thing I don't like is this low didn't break this low. I would have liked for it to see just to get a little bit past it and then make its way up. But let's see if it uses this area as resistance now. And again, I want to take this shit way down here. Ah, come on, dog. Look at how it just rejected this wick. Has to come down. If it stays up here, then we could see a push up and just higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Because this high, or this low, is higher than this low. So that's why I would have liked to see this low break below this low. That'll give me the extra confirmation. So we got to see price come below this area right here. It has to. If not, it's going to go up like it is right now. Fuck. Stops are at break even. Let's see what it does. And again, this is why I take profit. I'm not like one of those professional traders and all that shit that just hold that shit all the way through. Um, Damn. Yeah, I didn't break the low. Don't necessarily like it. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. It could just be creating another higher high right now. Yeah, I think it is. Damn. Broke above this. Using these EMAs as support. See the 15 minute. Damn, yeah, it does look like it's coming up a little. Still got 10 minutes on this 15 minute. But I guess it really depends on how this 5 minute finishes right now. If it finishes way up here, and even if it turns bullish, oh yeah, it's coming up. I think I'm gonna just exit the trade, guys. Fuck it. Um, let's see. I'll give it one more shot right here on this bottom position that I have. It's about to stop me out, but this IOC right here. Let's see if this area is used as respect. Right, resistance, and then come down. Let's see if it can do that. There's a possibility it can, so let's see if it does. We got the 50 or the 20 EMA. See, I like that. Let's see if it could come all the way down though. Right? Let's see if it can break through this. If it uses this as support again, I think I'm gonna hop out. It took my 0.01 out. Still have a 0.04 runner. I'm up about 160 on that one. Up $31 on the day. So let's see. Still using it as support. Ah, damn, son. Trying to keep the peace here, but it fall off. Just fall. See, that's kind of iffy the way it finished. Let's see if it comes down though. Ah, fucking Juker. Little bitch, you. You seen that shit?
Yeah.
As soon as it tapped that shit. Nah. See if it could finish through. That's what we need. Okay. Okay. Nah, go break below it. Break below it. Ah. Yeah. We got buyers in this bitch, dog.
So when this to break below this.
No, we needed, so go to the smaller time frame, the 1 minute. We needed this low to break below that low. That's it. That's all we needed. I'm still trying to trust that it's a downtrend, and that's why I'm holding this trade. And I'm still expecting a lower low to be created. That's why I'm holding this trade. But again, a bigger confirmation. Oh, let's go. Come on, dog. Make your move. Let's go. Still 30 seconds left on this candle, though, so just remember that. Still 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's see how that 5 minute finished. The last 5 minute candle. Because again, it could just hit this 5 minute and reject it again, right? So we got to be mindful of that. Honestly, I'm not tripping because I thought I was going to be a loser today, but shit, I'm up a little bit, so that counts for something. Yeah, I rejected it a little too much. You can see the big rejection again, came down. How did that 1 minute finish? Yeah, it's coming up. See how it broke below? Went right back on top. It's retesting it, but I think it's just going to go create another higher high. Bitch. Fuck it. I'm done for the day. $37. I'll take it. Watch that shit. Fuck it, fly down right now. I think it's going up. I think it's going to that level that I was looking for yesterday, which is up here.
On the high.
This daily up here. That's where I think it's going. I think it's coming up to this ILC with the daily. Tap that. Come down. That's what I possibly, you know what I mean? We'll see. Fuck it. It is what it is. Oh. Yeah. $37, I'll take it.
That's right.
Shit, I was down 370 at one point. I'll take it. Fuck it. Yeah, I think it's coming up here, and I'm going to set an alert if it does make it up here. Well, I like this one a little bit cleaner, if I'm just being honest. What's that?
It's not too crazy. It's only gone up the third page. No?
Yeah, it's not too bad. But it does look like it's coming up, if I had to guess. And I think a lot of people are like, one of my boys told me he's waiting. He's like, I'm gonna wait.
Oh, the big push up.
Yeah, no, I think it's coming up to that area up top. I'm gonna set my alerts though up here. It does. Get an alert for that. Damn, something about this area. You see how it comes up here, rejects it, rejects it, rejects it, rejects it, rejects it. But I'm not even gonna try. I'm a little off today, so.
So is what you're predicting is a higher high, and then a low, all the way down to lower lows, probably back down to there.
I'm expecting, yeah, higher high, higher low, higher high, up here, higher low. And then once it gets to the zone up top, it should fall off. That's what I'm expecting, but.
I will pick whatever you're talking about, like the 177, 180, 190.
So right here it'd be
200.
like 200-ish. So go to your 15-minute chart. You want to identify these IOCs right here. Hold on, let me put She like how I shot. I suppose you be listening to the shit that I don't listen to myself and you make money.
I listen to you right now, I mean, $100.
I don't know. I don't even be listening to myself.
I just try, my friend. I just try. Hey, but imagine if we had those accounting.
Huh?
Imagine if I had the accounting, I would make 2 racks.
That's crazy. Hello? Putting all these clothes in the washer. Alright. No, I wish. Are you?